Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today I am going to do weekly love reading for Virgo, its sign, and this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. So take what resonate and leave the rest. So let's see your messages, Virgo. Empress, Page of Swords, Seven of Cups. I think you stand by your power, Virgo. Definitely the Empress. Your energy right now or in recent past like this. Definitely you stand by your power, and you are very grounded. But your person may be spying on you on social media, and you have a lot of options in career wise, and you are doing a lot of things in your life right now. Seven of Cups is here. For some you are fantasizing about your person a lot, but for some your person may be fantasizing about you a lot and they are spying on you on social media. But yeah, definitely you stand by your power this time. So let's see some more messages what's going. And your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, Gemini, Libra, Aquarius. So let's see some more. Yeah, Seven of Swords, Ace of Pentacles, Temperance. Yeah, definitely you are very balanced right now, and you are very patient also. Patience is the key, definitely, and you are very balanced. But some person from your past coming back to you, coming back, or if you are in relationship, definitely there is some sneaky energy between both of you and your person. I think your person may be manipulator, telling lies to you, or lied to you, or cheated on you. Definitely there is some sneaky energy. Yeah, they are coming back with offer long-term commitment, but your person may be manipulator also. But you are taking your time, you stand by your power, you are not giving any commitment to your person right now, because you maybe have some trust issues, Virgo, because the Seven of Swords is there. Maybe they tell, in past they did tell lies to you. Definitely you don't trust this person now. So let's see, your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, or Sagittarius especially. See, Three of Pentacles. Oh, lot of cards. Yeah, separation, Five of Pentacles. Yeah, Two of Pentacles. I think now your person want to work on this relationship. They want partnership with you, Virgo, and definitely separation between both of you. For some there is no contact or less contact between both of you. Your person juggling. Definitely in past your person may be juggled between you and the other person, or between you and their career. Whatever, there is some juggling. They didn't take decision in past. Now they want partnership with you, they're coming back, but you don't trust your person because there is some sneaky energy, and you stand by your power. Definitely you are very balanced right now. Yeah, lot of earth energies here. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus. Okay guys, so let's see. But your person may be past, maybe they're playing mind games with you. For some there could be some third party involved. Six of Cups. Yeah, I think it came reverse. Unfortunately, it came reverse. See, the Moon. Yeah, you are holding back. Virgo, you are holding back. The Moon, definitely your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. Definitely you are going to ignore reconciliation, because Six of Cups with reverse. Even though you have strong emotions for your person, even though you both have strong past life connections with each other, definitely you don't want this reconciliation this time, because you want your time and you want your space. because you have to think twice before giving another chance, because in past they did something to you, they hurt you, or they manipulate you, they something tell lies to you in past. That's why you are not hurry, you are not in hurry right now. And the Four of Pentacles, definitely you are holding back your feelings. Yeah, Virgo, you are holding back your feelings. Definitely some secrets are hidden in this connection. The Moon, your person may be hiding something from you. Yeah, the Moon. Your person could be Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio, especially Pisces. Lot of earth energy, guys. Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, you both could be, or one person could be. Yeah, you are holding back. Definitely you stand by your power. So let's pull some cards. Your person current feelings and the near future actions. Then we will get more clarity. So first we will see your person current feelings, Virgo. So this is general reading, may or may not resonate to everyone. Take what resonate and leave the rest, guys. So your person current feelings. Yeah, Eight of Pentacles. Chariot. Emperor. I think in past your person may be stubborn. Definitely now your person want to work on this relationship, Virgo. They are serious about this time. Definitely they want to take this relationship to next level, because Eight of Pentacles with Chariot and Emperor. Now they want to offer solid commitment to you. Chariot means very slow moving energy, but still there is some movement. Definitely they want to work on this relationship. Those are their current feelings. So let's see their near future actions towards you. Your person could be Capricorn, Virgo, Taurus, Cancer, or lot of earth energy, guys. Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, the Fool. Yeah, I think for some in past it could be third party also, another woman involved in this connection maybe. For some, okay, so Queen of Wands, Queen of Pentacles, and the Fool. Definitely they are very attracted to you. They are very there is a lot of passion. They are very passionate about you, and they want to share their love to you and their feelings towards you. That they are thinking about you like that you are very caring person, very giving person. And the Fool, definitely they want brand new beginnings with you. The Fool, they want to take leap of faith. Yeah, Virgo, your person want to work on this relationship and they want to take leap of faith. And yeah, they want to do anything for you to regain this trust. Yeah. So let's pull some cards from universe where this connection is headed in near future. Five of Cups. Still there is separation for some. King of Cups. Six of Swords. Four of Swords. Yeah, still I think you are not I think one person, I think it's you, Virgo. You are not talking to your person right now. For some there is no contact or less contact between both of you guys. You are taking your time. Yes, you want your space. Definitely, but your person feeling very sad for the separation. Five of Cups with Six of Cups, Knight of Cups. They have strong emotions for you and they want to offer their cup of love to you, Virgo. But I think you are moving towards calm water. You are moving on from this connection for some. I think most of you are not accepting this offer, but very few. Maybe there will be reconciliation. Very few. I am getting. Lot of air energy. Your person could be Gemini, Libra, Aquarius, and Pisces, Cancer, Scorpio. I think communication will be open up, but it will take long time, because I think one person in this connection, this state, they are not ready to talk. They are not, this person is not ready to take action. I think it's you, Virgo. Yeah. But your person ready to work on this relationship. They want to offer their love to you, but you are holding back your feelings. What I am getting here. So let's see your overall energy for the week, Virgo. Yeah, Justice, Tower, and Chariot, Page of Cups. I think you will get some apology messages from your person and some communication. Chariot, I think you start something new in your life, in career wise, and tower moment. Definitely this separation also is a tower moment for you. Still you, even though you're feeling some tower moment due to separation, but you stand by your power, you cut your person off. Definitely your person could be Libra also. Definitely you cut your person off, you stand by your power, Virgo. So your person could be Cancer, Pisces, Scorpio. So let's see your person overall energy for the week. Yeah, 7 of Wands, 10 of Swords. See, 9 of Swords. What I am told here, all the cards represent the same thing. 5 of Swords, definitely there are some disturbances still going between both of you. And 9 of Swords, definitely your person feeling very, very sad for the separation. And 9 of Swords means they are not sleeping at night times and thinking about you a lot. They are in anxiety and depression. See here. And 10 of Swords, definitely for some, it could be painful ending for them, for your person, and they want rebirth in this connection. 10 of Swords and 7 of Wands. Yeah, they don't want to give up on this connection. They want to try again and again until you give another chance to your person. But you stand by your power, you cut off your person. So very few there will be reconciliation, but most of you, this reading will resonate. So this is the reading for you guys. Hope it resonates to you. Please do share, like and subscribe my channel. Please do support me guys and click the bell icon, then you will get all my video notification. Thank you so much for watching and supporting my videos. Thank you. Bye.